Gates open, that up and racing. Westerly Wind draws for your lead. My Sweet Leonora Raggedy moving up together with Speedmaker. Len in between runners. Then comes Tarlac running down on the inside. My Bukas Pa followed by Lord of the Sun. Milenio and Louis Star is running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Raggedy this time by about 4 lengths. Speedmaker is in second. My Bukas Spice by the rail third. Len running alongside fourth. Then moving a party outside is Starlac, Lord of the Sun. Westerly Wind comes next. Milenio, Louis Star second last. And My Sweet Leonora now running in behind them. Past the last 800. Raggedy still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Len. The favorite is Speedmaker, drops back in third. My Bukas Pa sneaking in down on the inside. Lord of the Sun likewise closing in. Westerly Wind is on the outside. Milenio, Louis Star, then comes number 6, and that is Starlac, and trailing the group is My Sweet Leonora as they turn for home. Now we have Len from the outside. Raggedy running at the center. Louis Star is sneaking in down on the inside. My Bukas Pa in between runners with the last 150 more to run. We have Len now takes the lead. Louis Star down on the inside. Len, Louis Star is by the rail, leading the finish line. Two runners are fighting it out, and final Louis Star close with Len. Then comes My Bukas Pa, Westerly Wind, and close between My Sweet Leonora Raggedy and Speedmaker for Pentapecta.